Hello and welcome to this PriceAJob tutorial series on how to create a custom module in PriceAJob. In this video, we'll discuss how to save a custom module as a reusable template. In previous videos, we discussed how to build a basic custom module. Now it's time to save our simple custom module as a reusable template in the module toolbar. Once you're satisfied with all of your changes, it's time to save your template. To do that, go to the bottom of the Stages bar here on the right and select Create Template. And then here, you can either choose to create a new template or replace a template if you're just making updates to one that you've already saved. In this case, this is a new template. Then we can choose a category location. And for a garden shed, it seems like landscaping would be an obvious place. So we'll put that in landscaping. And then we can give our module a title. And outbuildings is a little vague, so let's call this one Garden Shed Simple. And save. And now our Garden Shed Simple module has been saved here in our landscaping category, right here. So if we were to delete this module, and then we had a project for a garden shed, rather than rebuilding the module from scratch, we could just go to the landscaping category here and select the Garden Shed Simple template that we just saved. And create. And this reloads our module with all the changes that we made previously. If you make any changes that you would like to save to the template, you could either click Create Template and Replace Template, and we'll ask you which one you're replacing, and we can select that here, and save. Or we also have the option of going to the landscaping module category here, deleting this template here from the menu, and that's now been removed. And then we can go back to Create Template and save the template new again. So again, we'll assign this to the landscaping category and we'll keep the title as Garden Shed Simple and save. And that's been re-added to our landscaping category, Garden Shed Simple. And that's how you can save your custom module as a reusable template. In the next tutorial, we'll discuss how to make a simple custom module more advanced by adding adjustable components and dynamic settings. Thank you for using PriceAJob.